last week we talked about Morse Taper 2 cleaning and how that they don't make the green weenie anymore. And I happen to have a green weenie. And as somebody mentioned, you know, a gun barrel cleaner. And I suggested it's a 1/2-inch copper fitting cleaning brush, which this is an old one that I have. Let's see. Because I was a pipe fitter, did a lot of copper work, and it just doesn't have a great handle or anything on it. But then here's one from Home Depot. You can get this one from Home Depot, like so. You get this in at the plumb supply. And so they need to go, according to this Morse taper I got, about all the way to the handle to do his cleaning. And they're kind of loose right here at the very beginning. And but then they get tight. But I turn the lathe on and just run it in and out. Clean that Morse taper. Of course, over here on my tailstock, I'm going to be going back and forth. The only one that you got to be turned one direction like it's fun, or you unwind that or mess up the brushes on it. And I do also have the gun barrel brush.
It's handy.
I put a handle on it, but it's not long enough with that handle to go as deep as I need to go. So, well, heck.
You can turn aluminum extender.
Yeah, well, I ended up getting a
or a force extension. Yeah.
This is a rod coupler to put in my drill.
Oh, right on.
So I've got my drill, so I can run up and down in here in my drill. And do that over here also on the tailstock. And,
easy.
And I like the brass better than these, but I know of guys who have never cleaned their Morse taper on their lathe since they had the lathe. And here's some simple things that we can do. You don't have to have the green weenie to do this, you know. There's other ways to do it. And so for you new guys out there not aware of this and what you can do, I just want to share it. And that's all I got for tonight, Dane.
Wow, that's very good. Thanks.
How's it sharing in though?
Thanks for sharing.
Future? I'm sorry?
So thank you for sharing.
On that note, I have a couple brushes I use for cleaning my tailstock. I think I got them at Home Depot or Home Hardware. I've seen them at Walmart as well. But here they are here. They're just basic brushes. They come in different diameters. You can get them in different stiffnesses. You can get them in brass, soft metal, or this is like a hard, almost like a hard, I don't know what type of material, but it's almost like plastic-like, coarse plastic. And it works great. It's long enough to get in there. Just give them a clean. So they work well. I also have the metal one and the shotgun one that Joaquin uses. They also work really well. I didn't think about throwing it in a drill though, so that's pretty handy. I'll have to try that.
Especially for the tailstock. Yeah.
Why does that need to be cleaned out? What gets in there?
It'll put your center off slightly, so your centers won't be perfect. It might be off a fraction of a millimeter or so. And it can throw it out of center slightly.
You get shop dust and debris on your tools. And it gets in there.
Okay.
And if you turn wet wood, it'll dry and solidify, almost like a pine pitch or something in there that can put it off.
Right. And then for all you folks, that are in high humidity areas, when you're turning wet wood, or you're spraying down with water to raise the grain on your wood, that moisture, it travels. And when that moisture gets on that metal, it's gonna create a little bit of rust in there, even though it's going to be very minute. And that soft brush, the soft metal brush, will remove that rust and or any glue or CA or oil finish that gets in there and dries up, and it will take that off no problem, but it won't scratch or leave serrations on the actual Morse taper itself. So
Right.
that's why you always want to clean your Morse tapers.
Actually, I think I got that at Princess Auto. I think you guys got Princess Auto down there, don't you? It's fairly
No.
inexpensive. Oh, no? Okay.
Yeah, we got O'Reilly's and AutoZone and Napa and
Ace
Bella's,
Hardware and yeah,
Bass
they'll
Pro
all.
Shops, Dick's Sporting Goods. Well, Dick's probably don't sell anything gun related anymore. So
Yeah.
No, but Cabela's.
yeah, I use a shotgun. I use a shotgun bore brush on mine as well. Works wonderfully.